In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take notes on the Notion app in a clean, organized, and super effective way, perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who wants better digital notes. We'll walk through a real example step by step so you can follow along and set this up inside your own Notion workspace. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips and productivity tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to take notes. In this example, we're using a page called Biology 101, but this can be any subject or project you're working on. Once you're on the page, click just below the page name so your cursor is ready to start typing. This is where all your notes will live. To create a clear section header, type 2 hashtag symbols, which is double hash, and this tells Notion you want to create a heading. After typing the 2 hashtags, click on them or press space, and Notion will automatically turn that line into a heading block. Now click on the heading block that was created and type in the topic name for your notes. In this case, we're typing photosynthesis. This helps keep your notes structured and easy to scan later. Under the heading, we're going to add bullet points. To do that, type an asterisk, which is the star symbol, and press space. This creates a bullet point. Now type your first note. For example, you can type, occurs in chloroplasts of plant cells. To add another bullet point, simply type another star on the next line and press space again. Then type your next note, such as converts light energy into chemical energy. This bullet-style format is great for summarizing key ideas quickly. Next, we're going to create a toggle, which is perfect for hiding answers or extra details. To do this, type the greater than symbol, which looks like a right-pointing angle bracket, and press space. This creates a toggle block. Inside the toggle, type a question like, byproduct of photosynthesis. Under that, type the answer, which in this case is oxygen. Now you can click the toggle arrow to hide or reveal the answer whenever you want. This is amazing for active recall and studying later. Let's add another toggle for more practice. Type the greater than symbol again, press space, and create a new toggle. Inside it, type place where photosynthesis takes place. Below that, type the answer, thylakoid membranes. Once again, you can click the toggle arrow to hide the answer. When you're studying, you can test yourself by trying to recall the answer before clicking to reveal it. When hiding the toggles, you'll see how clean and organized your notes look. You now have headings, bullet points, and toggles all working together to make your notes more effective and interactive. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to take notes on the Notion app using headings, bullets, and toggles to study smarter, not harder. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.